the fog lights on, the lights are on the rear. You've got the normal lights on across, but this is where the fog light is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can get to it from the bottom. 1 second. Okay, that's where it is. So what I need to do is twist that to my left, take the whole thing out. Now you can see there is a lot of water in there, so that might be the reason where it's not working. The bulb looks good, but you can see right there there's a lot of corrosion. Now we're going to have to see if we've got a bulb, spray some WD-40 in there and get it working. There we go, that's working now. So what I did was I've replaced the bulb, clean it up, put some maintenance spray in there, little wire brush, clean the terminals up. She's pretty good now. But what I advise there is to get a new fog light cover, which as you can see right there, you've got a few cracks across. You can get a better look. Right across here there's cracks, so I'm going to get a new one of these. Now this is a Ford Fiesta on a 2011 plate. You've got a rear fog light issue. First thing first, what you want to do, unplug it and see if there's any corrosion. If there is, clean it up, put a new bulb in, and then see if it works. If it works, happy days. If it doesn't, then you've got a problem. You've got to get a new plug as well as new tail light as well. That's all it is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and there's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.